Welcome back to Omega Language Academy, and this is German A1 course. We are already at session 4. 1, 2, 3 are uploaded in the playlist, you can watch them. This session will be about conjugation of sein, that is to be form of a verb. Now let me explain what is to be form. To be form is when in English we say I am, you are, and all those things. So when we started learning English, we had to learn I am, you are, he, she, it, right? So this is going to be the sein form in German. To be is called sein, right? So let's start with the table itself. We have personal pronouns as well as verb here. We're going to start with the English part and then show the German for that, right? I am in German is called ich bin. So you're going to learn two words in a go. That is the meaning of I, that is ich, and am is called bin. So let's say I'm going to say I am Sam. I would say ich bin Sam. Right. I am, that is ich bin. Next one we have you are. Now there are many kinds of you. I'm going to explain while I'm going. So this one is singular informal. In session 1, we discussed that Germans love to be formal as well as informal when required. So they have different kinds of yous based on the requirement. So you informal singular in German is called du. Okay. And are in that case only in informal singular is called bist. In English, doesn't matter what kind of you we are using for single person or for two people, we say are. In German, that's not the case. We use different kinds of yous, right? For example, here we have du, it's called bist. I mean the verb for that. So when I want to say you are a boy, du bist ein Junge. You are a boy. Okay? So ich bin, du bist. Let's see the third one. He, she, it is. Er, sie, es ist. So he is er, she is sie, and it is s. Remember. And if you have noticed, I have kept them all small because that's the way they are written. They are not capitalized. Okay. What is capitalized? We're going to see. But in this case, he, she, it is er, sie, es, and it is ist, not is anymore. Right. Then we have we in English. We are. In German, it's called wir sind. Okay. Wir sind. I think it's clear because W together. So wir sind. Next we have you informal plural. Now this is interesting, right? When we are talking to many people, but informally, this you is used. In English, there's no change for we or singular or plural you. In German, there's a change. This is ihr seid. Ihr seid. So ihr is the informal you and seid is the verb for that. Next one is you, but formal. Okay. Then we have sie sind. Sie sind. Now these two z's actually are one for they and one for you. I'm not trying to confuse you here because it's initial chapters. In the coming chapter when we are revising this, I'll tell you what is the another z. For now, remember the capital Z is the formal you. So if you write in any sentence S with capital while writing Z, it shows formality. That is formal you. It can be plural, it can be singular, doesn't matter. But if you write in capital, it's formal. And with that, you have to write sind. Okay, for singular, we write du, that is best. Clear? For plural but informal, we write ihr. I hope this table is clear. Let's revise them quickly. Ich bin, du bist, er, sie, es ist, wir sind, ihr seid, and sie sind. That is you, formal, and they. Both are sind. I hope they are clear. Last time. Ich bin, du bist, er, sie, es ist, wir sind, ihr seid, and sie sind. I hope it is clear now, right? Let's see some examples or some sentences so that you can remember them and also the sentences. The first one, I am a student. Ich bin Student. I am a student. Ich bin Student. Okay, the Germans don't use a here. That's the rule when we are showing profession. You are a man or a woman. Du bist ein Mann oder eine Frau. This slash is oder or. So du bist is you are, is ein. We'll see later what is this ein thing, but remember for now we are practicing du bist. Du bist ein Mann, that is man, und eine Frau, a woman. Okay? He is a boy. Ist ein Junge. He is a boy. Ist ein Junge. Now you might have noticed J is capitalized. It's not a mistake. It has to be like that. All nouns are capitalized in German. Remember, all nouns, doesn't matter where they are in the sentence, in the beginning or in the end, in the middle, they are capitalized. Here we have ist ein Junge, he is a boy. So we are practicing ist, he is. We are here. Wir sind hier. We are here. Wir sind hier. Okay? You are beautiful. This you is formal you. So that means it could be singular, plural, doesn't matter. So it is just be a formal to someone. Sie sind schön. Sie sind schön. That means you are beautiful. You guys are the best. Now here we are informal to those people, but plural you. So we have to use which one? Ihr. Ihr seid die Besten. Ihr seid die Besten. You are the best. Okay? Ihr seid die Besten. So remember, again, you guys, informal, plural, you. That's why ihr seid. These were the sentences and this was session 4. If you have any doubt, please contact us using this number or the email ID provided on the screen right now. It's also provided in the description and I hope to see you soon. Thank you for listening and have a nice time. Goodbye.